going to continue on from the last video. This is like part 2 of it. Higgs Boson X Particle Bosonic Alpha Decay Mass Electron Geo-Neutrinos Elementary Charge CERN 5G Well SETI. All the videos are connected together on YouTube, okay? The Idea Girl says. If you want to look there, you can see which ones are in order. So August 17, 2012, my thoughts. Compare the masses of the Bosonic Alpha Decay with 2 protons, 2 neutrons, plus the Higgs Boson Particle CERN results from the 18th of June 2012. The mass you want to look at is the 3.72737924082 GeV c squared. Look at the electric charge 2e and spin 0 from alpha particles data and compare it with the Higgs boson data. We're going to explore the keywords found in this data in this next blog post, which is this blog post, sorry. I copy and pasted from the last video. So here's the alpha decay there. It shows the 2 protons and 2 neutrons, and then it's a bosonic. Those are the symbols. There's the mass. You want to use this bottom mass here. The electric charge is 2e and 0 is the spin. So we're going to take the formula from the well data: alpha particles plus 2 protons plus 2 neutrons bound plus helium nucleus plus alpha decay plus ion plus electrons plus high velocity helium nuclei. So I'm going to Google 2e, the elementary charge. Quote from Wiki: the elementary charge usually denotes as E is the electric charge carried by a single proton, or equivalently the negation opposite of the electric charge carried by a single electron. This elementary charge is a fundamental physical constant. To avoid confusion over its sign, E is sometimes called the elementary positive charge. This charge has a measured value of approximately 1.60217656535 times 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. In the CGS system, E is 4.803204255 10 times 10 minus 10 to the power of 10 statcoulombs. Keywords: elementary positive charge. E is the 4. There. I don't want to say it again. So I'm going to search in the WOW data for that number. This number is not found in the WOW data as of August the 17th. So that's up to videos 280 something. So I Googled the number instead. And up comes mass electron. And then this came up: constantminehome.net. Mass electron and elementary charge. Keyword is static electricity, refers to the buildup of electric charge on the surface of objects. That's a Google link. Electrical engineering is a field of engineering that generally deals with the study and application of electronics and electromagnetism. That's from etopis.blogspot.ca. So August 17th, my thoughts. The keywords are electrical engineering plus the field plus the Higgs boson field plus electromagnetism. My thoughts continued. You need to create an electric field in your test zone. Google create an electric field with Geo-Neutrinos and Electron Neutrinos. The keywords from the search are neutrino. Neutrinos do not carry electric charge, which means that they are not affected by. Neutrinos are created as a result of certain types of radioactive decay. So we were talking about the alpha particle decay there. There are 3 types of flavors of neutrinos: electrons, electron neutrinos, muon, and the so-called Geo-Neutrinos can provide valuable information on the Earth's interior. That's a Google link. My thoughts continue. The keywords from neutrino, wiki, Google data, Google flavors, the standard model. In particle physics, flavor is a quantum number of elementary particles. In quantum chromodynamics, flavor is a global symmetry. In the electroweak theory, on the other hand, this symmetry is broken and flavor changing processes exist, such as quark decay or neutrino oscillations. So based on this data, I came up with a new formula idea. I've got the quantum number plus elementary particles plus quantum chromodynamics. So I Googled the chromodynamics plus the flavor plus Google global symmetry. That's for me. That's a little note for me to Google it to find out what it is, because I forget. Electroweak theory, Google electroweak theory, symmetry, broken, plus flavor, plus changing, plus processes, plus exist, plus Higgs boson particle, plus quark, plus decay, plus neutrino, plus oscillations, plus produce, plus 2 protons, plus CERN test results, 18th of June 2012, and the Higgs particle signal with 2 photons left over. So the diagram from Wiki is the flavor and particle physics. These are the flavors. We have isospin, charm, strangeness, topness, bottomness. Related quantum numbers are baryon number, lepton number, weak isospin, electric charge, and X charge. Combinations are hypercharges Y, and there's the calculations to go with it. Weak hypercharge, there's the calculations to go with that. Flavor mixing is CKM matrix, PMNS matrix, and flavor complementarity. My thoughts continued that day, same day, on August 17th. The Higgs boson particle that is missing might be found in the flavor particle physics quantum numbers diagram. New formula idea: X charge, X related quantum numbers plus the Q electric charge plus the weak isospin plus T plus T3 plus lepton number plus L plus baryon number plus B. Combinations: weak hypercharge YW, and those X plus 2YW 5B to L. X is the missing boron particle, Higgs particle that stays. So this is the one we're trying to create. We're trying to create a Higgs particle that has mass so it can stay, so that you can study it. So more continued in the next blog post. I was just blogging these and now I'm videotaping them. That's why I keep saying that. Thank you for watching. We'll go into the next one.